This was so much below market value that we actually had a challenge getting the lender to lend us money on the property because we bought it too cheap. Massive, massive, massive property! The return on this property is massive. And this is not the first time this has happened to us, but it's happened with this property. Way more than all of our money back out of the deal, but here's the best bit. I have just secured a true below market value purchase. So this is the house. It is massive. 4-bedroom property, large driveway, garage at the back. Not your typical terraced house renter. It's in a much nicer area of town, much higher rental income, but the price we secured it for is very sweet. Hi Anna.
Hello.
Let's go this way first.
Okay.
So this could be a kitchen in another house, but it's actually just a utility. Downstairs bathroom. So we've got a shower, bit of mold, not bad though. So actually there's not a lot of work to do here. We can leave these tiles, we can paint that, get rid of the mold, make sure there's a fan working, a proper fan working so the mold doesn't come back, tidy it all up, but there's not a lot of work to do there. Then here.
We can match the door, so basically we will get the shaker door grills here and then paint it over and make it look nice, like I've done it on other house.
Sitting room.
Lunch diner. There is an issue with the floor, so looks like the beams are rotten. So we need to sort this out. Sort out the blown glass units in the window, tidy up, decorate.
This is a huge space. Massive, massive, massive property!
And in the kitchen, as you can see, the doors are wrecked. So basically, there's going to be 2 options. We're going to replace the door, or we're going to basically take the veneer and paint it over to make the kitchen looks nice. We're going to add the cooker hood above the cooker, change all the appliances to the new one. Other than that, just tidy up.
So tidy the kitchen, replace parts of it, not change it. This is where the house originally would have ended. Everything from there back, the kitchen and bedrooms upstairs is a big extension. And look at the back garden, that's huge as well. So huge garden, massive garage. Could see myself fixing some cars in here if I knew how to fix a car. Good area to bad area. Bad areas will get you the highest return on properties. Usually, this is in a really good area. However, we've got this at such a discount that the return on this property is massive. Not just in the rental income, but also in the uplift in the value. And then up the stairs. Most of this, Anna, just needs painting, decorating.
Painting, decorating. We're going to wash the carpets and do just cosmetic work in the bathrooms and kitchens.
This is the red light district. So this is one of the bedrooms. By the way, there's a completely free guide in the pinned comments and in the description. If you want to learn how you can bag yourself one of these deals in your area, go download it now and get moving. First bedroom. So one of the little rooms, but there's 4 bedrooms in total to this property. So I'm going to go this way to the second little room. So similar size to the other one just opposite. These will be the kids' bedrooms for a family. Doors are all good. They can stay as well. This is one of the main big bedrooms. To get an idea of this bedroom, this is a huge space. I am a very, 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 very big guy. And it's a big room. The thing about these type of houses is it looks very dark and dingy and weird grey colors, but it just needs brightening up and it'll be beautiful. Corridor. Corridor. Weird cupboard. Room. So remember, this house was extended downstairs over the kitchen. It was also extended upstairs. That's a main wall. So there's a bit of a weird thing going on here. In the future, we'll potentially take this wall out and make it a full-size bigger bedroom. But for now, we're just going to decorate it and leave it as 2 rooms. And then this way, you got the main bathroom. So there's a bathroom downstairs and a bathroom upstairs. In here, not a lot to do either. Fully tiled. It actually is really nice condition. Maybe clean the toilet. I think that was the camera crew. I'm joking. So, the numbers. This property, Anna, had how many people living here?
11.
11. I don't even have enough fingers for that.
I could have yours.
11. Now we got this completely off market. Through agents, building relationships with agents. The agents rings Anna up, says, can you come out for a viewing? The owner wanted to sell the property, but they didn't really want to kick out a family of 11 people. So they said, would we buy it and keep the tenants in place? To which we said we would. We agreed, get this, 135 grand for the property. Now, interestingly, we didn't get rid of the tenants during that process. And this is what happens a lot, by the way, it's psychological. As soon as the tenants knew the owner was selling, they thought, oh my God, are we going to lose our home, whatever. And they just started looking for another property and they moved into another property, which means we've ended up getting it with vacant possession. Had we known they would be leaving, we would have bought it cash. However, we bought it onto a mortgage immediately. Quite often when you buy below market value, you want to do it either creatively, using things like option agreements, or you want to buy it straight with cash, joint venture partner cash, private investor cash, a creative way to do the deal. But when you purchase it straight onto a mortgage and you have got a genuine below market value discount, a challenge can happen. And this is not the first time this has happened to us, but it's happened with this property. The valuer came out to value the property, to lend us the money for the purchase, and they valued it in this condition at 180 grand, 45 grand higher than the value. What that did was it meant emails. My broker basically said he's waiting for a call back from the lender, but know that in the past they accepted up to 10%, and as this is 25% below the shitty condition value, right, he was really worried that they would not accept the purchase. He says, I hope this doesn't happen, but we need to think about a plan B. Right, I'm expecting a reply from my contact by tomorrow. So the lender came back and confirmed they were happy to proceed. They were happy with our purchase price based on our reason, which was the 11-person family that were staying here, the fact that the seller wanted to keep the tenants in place, etc. They said, okay, we're happy with your reason. We'll accept the 135 purchase price. We will lend to you. So that was overcoming challenge number 1. Let's head into the kitchen and I'll tell you about the rest of the numbers. So when we do the full refurb in the future, maximum 35 grand. So we'll do a 35 grand refurb, all in 170. End valuation of a house on this street, Anna, today, not even in the future, today's price, what is it? 240,000 pounds. Our maximum spend is going to be 170 grand. That is a 70,000 pound uplift. Way more than all of our money back out of the deal, but here's the best bit. Our mortgage is 501 pound a month.
Yeah.
What will this property rent for?
Minimum like 1,000, but more likely 1,100.
Minimum a grand, more likely 1,100. So let's call it 1,050. Let's go down the middle, 1,050. 550 pound a month positive cash flow from a single let family home. People come to me all the time saying, there's no deals out there, I can't find deals. Are you looking? Do you know how to look? Do you know what you're looking for? There is a completely free report, as I said, in the pinned comments and the description. It can help you know what to look for to find deals like this. They are on your streets. I've been Kevin McDonald. She's been Anna. We'll see you on the next video. Speak soon. All right. You can both f*** off. I'm out of here. I just won 3.7 billion.
What? Who's that?
Me. Congratulations. Your email address has been selected to receive 3.7. I'm out of here. F*** property. See you later.